Hi everyone, look what I got from Knit in a Box. This was for January. It was a mystery knit along for this year, January 2025. And yeah, it comes in a box. What do you think? Should I open it or should I wait until you get your own? Okay, I can't wait. I'm going to open mine. Okay, let's see what's inside. How do I open it? Don't want to ruin the box. I think it's open. This is so neat. Look, I don't even want to touch it. I don't even want to open it because it looks so neat. Thank you, Knit in a Box. Let's see what's inside. Okay, it says Candy Clouds Child Girl Box, and the pattern is from Stylecraft. Okay, let's see what's in there. So we've got 3 skeins or balls of this color, and the yarn is called Bellissima. The yarn is called Bellissima. And we've got 1 of this, and this is really good quality yarn. And what else? So this is 100 grams of, I think it's DK, yeah, double knit Bellissima, and it's from Stylecraft. Okay, I've got chocolate toffee, 2 of them. Okay, and then I've got I have the pattern. So, okay, Knit in a Box 2025 calendar. Okay, let's see. December. Wow, thank you so much, Knit in a Box. This is lovely, and this is all so organized, so you can use this calendar to keep track of your projects. Yeah, I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Knit in a Box. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, I will definitely share more information once I get more information from Knit in a Box. Oh, wow, that was a pleasant surprise. Thank you so much, Knit in a Box. I definitely recommend this to anyone who enjoys mystery knit alongs. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time.